Okay. I wanted to stream, and I'm gonna stream. I don't care what it takes. I'm I'm so annoyed that I wasn't able to stream Pokemon tonight. But I'm gonna what's the word? I'm going to console. I don't know. But yeah, I guess the next best thing anyway. I'm gonna be playing some Oddworld Exoddus, one of my favorite games of all time. I've never streamed this, but it's a fantastic game. I'm gonna tweet the stream out real quick. Like this. Let me just make sure it has been tweeted properly because I'm very OCD when it comes to this. Okay, that one's done. And that one's done. Alright. Oh yeah, know what I'm setting up as well? The events log. Subscribers. Because I'm gonna get a ton. You're right. Alright, so hey, Madze, welcome back. Welcome back. So, I'm gonna be playing this game. The next best thing. You know, I'm also angry, so I'm gonna calm down by playing this game. I finished this many times. Many, countless times. But,
Follow me.
show me what happened. Nah, just start the game. Just start the game. Let's go. No Pokemon Midna. I'm so sorry. I lost. But I will find out. I will figure it out. Definitely. Definitely. What is this? Seriously, V4? You don't know what this is? This is one of the best games of all time. And I'm about to shut up. Shh.
His Scott hand branded on Moon's odd face. This hero may free the Modakin grace. With skin of blue and spirit guides too. Only he can save our bones from brew. But shall he fall to block and yoke? Modakin nation be doomed to croak.
This is Necrum. Long ago, the Budakans brought their dead here. That was before the Gluckans started stealing our bones. They used Budakan slaves to do it. Blind ones that couldn't see. The Gluckans didn't want anyone to know what they were digging up. And no one ever did. Not until the spirits of those bones paid me a visit. That's me. My name is Abe. I had just returned from saving 99 Budakans from Rupture Farms. That's when they came to see me.
Hey, you're the savior of the Mudakans, so you gotta help us.
The Gluckans are digging up our bones.
You gotta come to Necrum, Abe. Quickly.
We had to do something, so me and some others left to search for Necrum. Our journey started well. We were kind of excited.
Abe, you're just the greatest.
Okay. But by lunchtime, we were getting pretty tired.
Come on. Okay. How much longer?
By dinner, it was unbearable.
It's 'cause of you we're in this mess.
This bites!
Can I go home?
Oh. What's that?
Something big.
Where is that coming? Hey, look at that. It's a bone. I think we're close. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We're not supposed to be here. Oh, look out, Abe! Oh.
Something smells.
Hello.
Okay, this is such a fantastic game. You know what I'm gonna do though? I think I'm gonna stretch. Should I stretch the... I think I should do that. Hold on. Edit scene. I'm gonna stretch it because there's like a black border around it, and I understand that it's because it would look really good if I stretch it, I think. Hold on. Nah, it won't look good, no. No, it's not gonna look good. It's even funnier now because... Ah, man. I think it's because... No, this is gonna have to be... This is gonna have to be like... It's gonna have to be like this. There's no way, other way around it. God dang it. What if I reset? Hold on. Properties. Hold on. Maybe I can fit the screen or something. Let me take a look. No. Doesn't give me the option. Let's take a look. Hang on. Hang on. Alright, I think it's better though. Hold on. I think it's gonna be better. I think it's going to be better. If I do say so myself. No, it's pretty much the same. That's fine. I'm gonna leave it like this then. I don't care. Ah, it doesn't look good though. No, I want to fix this. I want to fix this. Properties. Should I go back to customer resolution then? But this has nothing to do with it, no. This always confuses me. Anyway, so there's some few people in the chat that I want to say hello to. Midna, I'm very upset about Pokemon. I am gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I promise I will. I have to figure it out though. I'm sorry. I was so excited, but anyway. Hold on, I need to fix this now as well. Can you imagine if hold on, maybe like this? Maybe a bit smaller. How about a bit smaller? Yeah, let's leave it like this because it's gonna have to be like that. Sorry about that. Okay, so where was I? There's Red. Hello, Red. I want to say hi before I go. Okay, Red, stop promoting your channel, okay? Please, man. Alright, hi, bye. There's Jack Hammer and there's Amy. Hello, Amy. Nice self-promo there. I know, right? I know, right? Anyway. That's very disrespectful, Red. I love you, buddy, but that's very disrespectful. It's like walking into a restaurant saying, hey guys, how are you doing? I just wanted to say hi before I go eat up in the other restaurant. Take care, see ya. No, I don't ask why you can't stay. No, I don't ask why you can't stay. I never do that. No, it's none of my business why you can't stay. It's none of my business why you can't stay. I never ask. No, it's not true. It is not true, my friend. Hello, Swalby. Yes, so I should start playing this game before my controller dies. Abe, say hello to everyone in chat.
Hello.
Anyway, I tell people, I know, Red. I know you didn't mean. I know you didn't mean it like that, Red. I know you didn't mean it like that. But if you go on someone else's stream and they don't know you, they're gonna assume you're subgrubbing. I'm just saying that. I'm just saying that, buddy. Okay. I'm just saying that. I know you didn't mean that, but that's that's what people will think. You see, in fact, that's what people thought in chat. You see, and you'll get banned from other people's streams. That's why I'm saying that, buddy. You're gonna cry now. Don't cry. Anyway, this is one of my. I don't want your subs. Don't. Good, because I was gonna give you a bunch. No, but seriously. This is one of the best games I have ever played. I need to run jump here. Hold on. Who has played this game? Who has played this game? Because V4 has no idea what this game is. Like, what?
You will follow me. Okay.
So anyway, those of you who just joined, how are you, Super Saiyan Dash? Oh, Vloggy breaking hearts. I'm not breaking hearts. I'm just saying it how it is. I'm just saying it how it is. You know I love you, Red. You know I love you. No homo. Pants on. There's Dan as well in chat. Hello, Dan. How are you? Yeah, this is my childhood. This is my child. Look, he's depressed. Look at this.
Hi. Follow me.
No.
Follow me.
You see, he's depressed. So I'm gonna open the gate, but when I do that, he's gonna get a shower, and he's gonna think I did it on purpose. Look. Now he's angry at me. I didn't mean to do that, buddy. I want to rescue you.
Hi. Follow me. No.
Oh, come on.
Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
Anyway, so hold on. I may need his assistance over here. Hold on. So yeah, this is one of the best games I have ever played. I love it so much. What's going on is that they work for this factory, and they're making this awesome brew. Apparently, it's really good. It's I don't know. I think it's alcoholic because they get sick if they drink a lot of it. So I'm assuming it's alcoholic. And then they discovered they're making it from their bones, from their ancestors' bones. That's what they're mining for, and they have no idea. So he's here to rescue them, basically. The remake of Ape and remake of Crash. I just think there's any point. Come on, no. Yes, yeah, the graphics do make a difference. Good graphics don't make a good game, and this is one case. But if a good game gets better graphics, it's fantastic. Like Oddworld New and Tasty, for instance. This one's getting a remake, but I discovered it's not gonna come out this year. Sad. Resident Evil 2 remake. That's gonna be amazing. Crash. Are you going to hit you? Yes, I will hack it again, Midna. Don't worry, I will. I promise. I will do it for you, Midna. I will do it for you. So anyway, let's keep going, because I'm getting distracted with talking. Oh, the laughing gas is fantastic. When they get affected by laughing gas, they just ignore you. Look. You see, they just don't follow you. They just don't. They're gonna get me into trouble. No!
Stop it. Follow me.
Oh, I was gonna get into trouble. How are you, Jackhammer? And Sam! I don't think I said hello to Sam. How are you, Mr. Sam? So...
Where? Oh, yeah. You will follow me.
Oh man, this game. I'm so sorry, Midna. I don't want to think about Pokemon anymore. I'm so sad. That's why I'm playing this game, to feel better. I don't need to learn about this. Cannot Crest! Hey! Nice to see you. I really wanted to play Pokemon this evening. I had everything ready. Everything was ready. I was ready to start trading Pokemon, giving away shiny Pokemon to everyone, and then it said I have to update my 3DS. Oops. I had to update my 3DS, which means I lost my hack and I cannot generate any more Pokemon for you guys. But I will figure it out.
Stop it. Follow me. Okay.
Is this a Super Nintendo? No, there is no Super Nintendo for this game. There is no version for the Super Nintendo of this game, as far as I know. No, it's only PlayStation. This was a PlayStation exclusive. I noticed that the text at the top cannot be seen, but that's fine. It's not that. It's not important.
Where? Oh yeah. Follow me.
This game is so good. Long time no see, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. I'm very sad about Pokemon. I am really sad, but I will figure it out. I will figure it out for sure. They will patch it. They will issue a patch it. It has been patched. I mean, they will hack it one more time, definitely. But I checked on YouTube. Doesn't look like there's one yet. But they will. I promise. I promise. I enjoy making Pokemon giveaways. Wrong, Vloggy. There's an ape for the X. Yes. No, I'm talking about this game, Abe's Odyssey and Abe's Exoddus, Jack. I'm talking about Abe's Exoddus. You're gonna go, Midna. Where are you going? I'm kidding. Where are you going? No, I'm kidding. I don't ask people why they're leaving, because that's none of my business, really. But, Jack, the first two Oddworld games were PS1 exclusive. Then, they got a deal for a Munch's Odyssey, and Munch's Odyssey was for the Xbox. Yeah. How do I get this guy out of there? There's no way.
Follow me. Hi. Follow me.
What the heck? He didn't follow me? He didn't follow me. The idiot.
Hi. Hello. Follow
Come
me.
on.
Okay.
Whew. Oh no, not this. Not this. Not this. Okay. Alright, quick save. Here we go, huh?
Wait.
Oh man, this is not good. Let's see how many times I'm gonna die. 1. There we go. Alright, so, just so you guys know, there's a pants point system now. Yahoo! There we go. Pants. Let's see. Let's see the pants. I should have points. Pants points now. Come on, game. Give me pants. Let's do this. There we go. It's not working, the pants. Come on, pants. There we go. It didn't give him my pants, it gave Sam's and Jack's. Alright, so.
Oh yeah. Hello. Follow me. Okay.
It didn't give him my own pants points, that's fine. Ugh. VloggyBuddy. I know, right? Oh man. Oh, come on, come on. I think it's time for me to go in here. 1, 2. I did it so that everybody gets a point every minute. So every hour you get 60 pants points. Is that too much? Is that too little? I don't know. I really don't know. I wanted to ask Amy, but I didn't want to bother her. Must not wake up the slig. Shh. I think they make more noise walking like this, but anyway. Alright, so he's gonna go find his own friends, which are here, the guys he came with. There they are. These are the guys he came with. I don't know why they're working all of a sudden. Like, I think you should reward 100 pants points. Reward you with 100 pants points. Why, Amy, why? Why? Give me a good reason, I'll give you. I'll give you. Give me a good reason. Alia! I think they make more noise walking like this, look. Yeah, that's a very good question. If I am anti-pants, why am I rewarding people with pants? That's strange, I know, right? Oh, cutscene. Shh.
Boy, take the out! Something to drink!
Don't drink that,
Why not?
'cause, if brew's made by gluckins, it's probably bad for you.
What a wuss.
I hear you.
Look, Abe, we came all this way just to help you.
Well, but
It's not unreasonable that we are just a little bit thirsty. Now, is it?
yeah, but
In case you didn't notice, we just walked across a desert.
So back off, Stitch Lips.
no. I tried to stop them, but they drank the brew anyway. Lots of it. Then they got all sick looking, but they still wanted more. That's when I figured this whole thing out. Brew is made from our bones! This is bad. What do I do now?
What do you do? How about leading us out of here?
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
But oops, I forgot he was blind. Help me rescue the rest of them.
I can't believe it. That's him. It's that Abe guy. Promotion. Here I come. Freeze.
Did you guys notice that he actually broke the fourth wall? He looked at the camera and he says, "Help me rescue the rest of them." I like that. Because I have a pair of Tyrant spandex from Outbreak. Really? Really, Amy? Really? First I want to see them. I want to see I want to see them. I want to see a picture. Ah! I thought I was gonna die. A picture. Okay. And I don't want to see a picture of them. I want to see how they fit. Okay. Hey, Malteser! Welcome! Ah, I'm not alone now. There's another Malteser with me here. Yeah, you see now, there's 2 Maltese people in the chat now, in the stream. I'm not alone. I'm not alone. How are you, Malteser? Uh-oh. I better start running. Haha. Haha. Hey, the boss! Hey, I'm alive! Ooh, that was close. What? Where is this gonna take me? Is it gonna lead me through that door? I forgot. No. No, I'm not gonna do the secrets. Hold on. Is that Mosca boy or Mosha boy? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the secrets. I know about the secrets. I know where they are, but I'm gonna waste a lot of time. And I've been having some wine. I've been drinking some wine, and I'm gonna get angry. I just want to play this in a relaxed manner. Gotta go to bed. Catch you later, Vloggy. Okay, Colonel Chris. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Make sure you leave a like on your way out because it changes my life. Not really. These are the guys that were drinking. These are the guys that we were drinking, my friends. And now they're all sick because they drank too much. Look.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Follow me.
You see, they don't want to. They don't want anything to do. And the vending machine is empty. Look. Nothing. Nothing. Emily, thank you for the retweet. I appreciate that. Alright, so I'm gonna go up here. I don't know where this takes me though. Hold on. Tunnel 2? Yes, I think Tunnel 2. The boss! Hello, the boss. You're the boss. Alright, I'm gonna go down here. Nope. I did say down there, but I didn't mean down there. Uh-oh. I haven't quick saved in a while. Alright, at least straight here. Wait. I'm confused now. Isn't this the way I came from? No way. No. I'm confused now. There's a secret over here. I know about it. Look. Let's give it a try. Come on, let's give it a try. Why not? Let's give it a try. Because I'm pro like that. I know how to do them, but I just need a lot of patience and... Oh! This was easy. Hold on. It looks too easy though. Oh no, okay. This was too easy, okay. Ah! Alright. I want to see if the pan system is actually working because I only got 5. People are already getting more than me. How is that possible? Let's see. Uh oh. I feel like I've been here already. I'm having a deja vu. I've been here already. Check the brake. I was playing, I never finished Maltese Odyssey and I plan on finishing it and I plan on streaming it the first time I finish it. And Abe meets Munch. And you know how Abe always farts? And Munch burps. And, okay, I've been here, you see? I know this. So, and Abe farts. And Munch goes, dude, that's nasty. The pants are not working. I think you can only check once every 30 minutes, I think. Oh no, slugs. That's what I love in this world. All the creatures are original. These are like the dogs of this world. They're called slugs. I love it. Okay. Now there's 2 down here. How am I doing? I'm doing fantastic. If I do say so myself. I'm very annoyed I wasn't able to stream Pokemon earlier. Oh look, baby ones! Baby ones! Yeah, I was meant to stream Pokemon tonight, but it didn't work. And I think I annoyed Midna. I'm sorry! Ah. Oh man, this is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good. Oh! Okay, I need to time this correctly. There we go. No, the little ones are easy. Because they're slow. But they're just as strong, huh? Bye! Laugh, laugh. Laugh.
Stop it.
There's no laugh.
Bumblebee. Hi.
No, there's no laugh in this one. Yeah, Lord Death. I just found out yesterday, actually, that Soulstorm has been delayed. It's not coming out this year. It's coming out in 2018. There was an interview with Lauren Lenning. And he was saying, I really wanted that game. That's way too high. Can I make it? Yes. Okay, I know this. Okay. No. You see, this door requires two levers. One here. Is it lever or lever? Hmm? What do you guys think? Lever or lever? There's another secret here. I really don't feel like. Oops. Transferred 15 points to VloggyBuddy. Ah, okay. How do you do that? How did you know that my code is UCE? What is that? He already knows how to work out the system more than I do. No. Did I pick them up? You sure about it? The game should come out this summer. I'm one who... Yeah, but the thing is this, Lord Death. The thing is this. Have you noticed? It was supposed to come out this summer, and I was already suspicious. Like, isn't there something funny the fact that it's supposed to come this summer and we still haven't had a trailer yet? And there was an interview with Lauren Lenning on Greg Miller's show. He has like a show, Greg Miller, and he was a guest there, and he asked him about the game, and he did say that's why they haven't been releasing trailers, because oops, they're behind schedule and they're not gonna make it. You got it from here. My code from the channel. Okay, you gave me your points, sure. No, you have no points. It doesn't let me check my points anyway, because I think it only lets me check points once every half an hour, I think. So it doesn't spam it, because some people like to brag how many how many points they have, and they keep checking every every 5 seconds. Okay, I think the game doesn't want me to go back. Yes, yeah, I know about the secret square crusher. Yes, I know about all the secrets in the game. I just don't feel like doing them, really. Okay. Oh! Too close. Yeah, I know about the secrets, don't worry. Don't worry. I'm a big fan of this game, don't worry. But even if there was a secret that I didn't know about, you telling me in chat wouldn't make any difference, because there's a latency in the stream. There's like 10 seconds delay, so I would miss it by the time I actually read. So, I used to do this like this. No, it has to be something like this. Oh, come on! Come on! I could have finished Code Veronica today, but I played Code Veronica 3 streams in a row, and I like to do a bit of a variety. So yeah, that was it. Because I really wanted to continue it, but for the trailer, I think that we have to recreate it, you know, the strange messages. I hope they maintain their words. If it is the case, we have to wait and suffer more. Yeah, we are gonna suffer more. We are gonna suffer more, which is fine. I'd rather wait and make sure we get a good game. I think New and Tasty was very satisfactory, in my opinion. Uh-oh. Okay, need to get some more. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait, but it's fine. It's fine. I don't mind. So my love for Oddworld, the Oddworld franchise started from when I bought the PlayStation 1. I got a demo disc, and it had Abe's Odyssey in it. It's not fair that the blast cannot destroy the grinder, but anyway. You didn't like what they did with well, some people are really in love with the classic. They don't want to see it remade. Same like for example, the Back to the Future movies, for example. I'm a big fan of Back to the Future movies, and some people are like, we don't want to see a reboot of the movies because they're perfect just the way they are. And the same thing goes with remakes sometimes. People don't want to see remakes because they think they're gonna mess them up, you know. And I appreciate that. Somebody just subscribed. Who is it? Lord Death. Thank you so much for subscribing. So yeah, I do understand. I do understand how people sometimes feel about don't want to see the remake of a game. You can edit the game pretty well with the program. Yes, I know. I was actually looking into it last week. I would love to give it a try one day. Can I jump? I'm gonna try it. I think I've done it before. Hold on, I think I've done it before. I wanna try it. I wanna try it. I wanna do this. I wanna do this. Vloggy likes this game because the protagonist doesn't have pants and because he looks like me. How are you, Juan? How are you, bud? Let me see if I can do this. Ooh. I'm not gonna do this one though. Oh, come on. Ooh! Okay, okay. No, I have to blow them up. I have to blow them up. There's no other way around it. This is gonna be fine, though. There we go. Blind Mudakin Zone. No, 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 this way, this way, this way. Okay, good.
Wait.
It's funny how he knows which way to go when it comes to the portal. It's funny. This is for you, Emily. I want to show you what happens if I fart next to the others, actually. I want to show you. Hold on. Hold on. Are there gonna be more here? Let's see. Yeah, but I need to get next to him. Hold on. I need to unlock him, so I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh, so close. So close. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We got this. In Oddworld New and Tasty, they actually changed the variety of farts. Sometimes it's a wet one, sometimes it's a whistle one, like the one that goes. They're so funny. And I love fart humor, so I love fart humor. It's my thing. Alright, let's go fart next to that guy over there. Let's make a fart on his face. Look. Oh. Maybe because he's blind. Did you see that? Hold on. He went to run away. Oh man. Oh man. Poof. Oh, he's gonna keep walking. Yeah, he's blind, of course. He doesn't know I stopped. Ah, yeah, Lord Death. Except they're not called leeches. They're called fleeches. I would love to edit a few levels of this game. Try to make a few challenging ones. Instead of Mario Maker, we'll have like Abe Maker. Does that make sense? Alright, oh, I have more. Smaggin! Thank you so much for subbing. Thank you so much. I'll try my best to keep you entertained with my... How am I gonna do this? With my failures? Let me see if... I cannot... No, I'm gonna let him wait there.
Wait. Where?
There we go. It's been a while since I played this game.
Hi, you will follow me. Okay.
There's already a program to edit it. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I heard that there was a program. I've seen a couple of custom levels on YouTube. I would love to give it a try. You're bad. I know, right? I love the Oddworld universe so much. How do I get him up there? Hold on. Because he follows the sounds of your voice.
Wait.
No, why did I ask him to stop?
Hi, you will follow me. Okay.
Stay there.
Wait.
Uh-oh. Freaking love this game. You know what? I'm gonna use these up. There we go. We get more. There we go. There's another secret here, I know. I know you're gonna tell me about the secret. I know about the secrets. It's down here. It's up here, actually. It's not. No, it's not. I have a feeling it's up there. Oh no, I had to make a run for it from up there, didn't I? But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't have the time. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. This jump is tricky. I'm gonna have a sip of wine. I should have a sip of wine each time I die. Oh, there we go. There's another secret here, apparently, as well. Oh! Hey, Levy! Look at this! I'm dying! Are you pro at this game as well? Levy is my backseat driver when I play. Ah! When I play Resident Evil 4 mostly. Levy and Ashley. 6 pants points. Let me see if I can check mine as well. Hold on. Pants. Yes, you watch the stream for 24, and I get her 24 points. But it's pants, not pant. 12 pants. I got 24 because Cheer gave me his. He's so kind. I save after each one. It's not even that difficult. But anyway. No. Do not pull this. Only a fool or a murderer would pull this lever. This is awesome. I'm so tempted to do it. Only a fool or a murderer. This game is so good. Alright, let's go.
Oh yeah, you will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
See what happens? Look. You see? How am I gonna get up there? Hold on. There's no way to get this guy out of here. No. I need to switch those off from up there.
Oh yeah, you will follow me. Okay.
Not advertising, Raid. Is it you, Red? Oh, you're so funny. It's you, isn't it? It's you, isn't it, Red? Oh, Red, you're awesome. No, this way!
Wait. Okay. Oh yeah, you will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay. Where? Hi, you will follow me. Okay.
It's hard to control the blind ones because they will just keep walking in the direction you were in. Welcome, Andy Rudd. That's not. No, let him go. No. Hey.
Hi, you will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Oh, that was so close. Let's try again. That's alright, Red. I appreciate that. That is why I know you mean well, because you're awesome. You're so cool. Alright, so. This way?
Follow me.
Okay. Oh, I wanted to show you. Never mind, they're blind.
Wait. Okay.
Hold on. Where do I take these guys? Hold on a sec. Where do I take these guys? Hey, Cascade! Cascade! My internet is still dead, kind of. Make boys and girls. Ciao! Come stai? Alright, this is it. Okay, this is how it's done. Sucker. Yeah, make boys and girls. Thank you so much for subscribing. Alright, so these guys need to follow me here again. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Follow me.
Okay.
I did it on purpose. I want to show you something, guys. Look what happens when you fart in a crowded area. Oh man. Let's try it again.
Oh, yeah.
I do speak Italian, make boys and girls. Yeah, I do.
Wait. Okay.
I speak Italian fluently, actually. And I learned it only from TV. I'm not even kidding. Only from TV. Kenshiro, ciao, sono Christian, sei un grande. You're Italian? Yeah, I figured because you said ciao when you came in, so. How are you, Cascade? How are you? I was planning to do a Pokemon stream today, and I'm crying because it didn't work.
Oh, yeah.
I had to do a system update, and I lost my my homebrew. Dang it. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I rescued 23 so far. Not bad, if I do say so myself. In a secret in the brewer, if you make golden one against the last the fart will go out of bounds and fail. Really? Fall into nothing. Oh, really? And they will not die. Haha. I want to see more farts. You will see farts soon. That's alright. Really? You're Italian as well, Lord Death. Okay. So today we attracted Italians and Maltesers as well. I'm from Malta. Sono da Malta. That is why I know. That's why I know Italian, because we used to watch a lot of Italian TV. Hup! No! No! It didn't jump. You're Italian as well? Seriously? I should have figured actually from your surname. Yo, no, Cascade! Yes, we're gonna possess. Oh man, I have to do the whole thing again. Oops. I have to do the whole thing again. And I had a schedule. Walks off a cliff. No, Cascade, don't! Don't, please! Don't walk off a cliff. If I haven't done it today because of Pokemon, you won't. Alright, I'm gonna speedrun this now, okay? I'm gonna speedrun this.
Oh, yeah. You follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
That was close. No! 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 Non sono un grande. Guarda, I just died. I'm not a grande. Become an Italian YouTuber. We need somebody who is a good. Well, come on. I think one of the better YouTubers, Italian YouTubers, is what's his name? I forgot. Come on, he's famous and he's verified. What's his name? There's a YouTuber, Italian YouTuber. What's his name? What's his name? Mike Shosha. You know who he is. Come on. You know who he is. I think he's a good YouTuber.
Oh, yeah.
He plays many games that I'm not interested in. That's why I don't watch him that much. Last game I watched him play was Resident Evil 7. Of course. I'm a big fan of Resident Evil franchise.
Okay.
For those of you that don't know. Let's get him out of the way. Stop being bad at this game. This game is out of trial and error, huh?
Hi. You follow me. Okay. Wait. Where? Okay.
Ah, too soon. Don't you dare turn back. Did you see that? Ah! Stay there for a sec. I want to see what's here. Nothing, eh? but I need to pull those levers. Be right back. I love this game so much. I should probably quick save. No, I'm not really good at this game. I mean, I am good, but I haven't played this game in a very long time. I actually own Abe's Odyssey and Abe's Exoddus. Somebody just subscribed! Hold on, I need to look. Francesco Derensis, thank you so much for subscribing. Are you Italian as well? We're getting a lot of Italians today. And Maltese, we had two. Me and some other. Me and the Malteser. Still good enough. Wait.
Okay.
Molto fame. You hungry? I am fighting hunger right now because I started my diet again. I took a break from my diet for 1 week and I had pizza and I had... What did I have? Pizza? Pizza and some fries. And bread. Okay, we're good. We're gonna do this now. Look, we're getting so many Italians today. We're getting so many Italians. That's so weird. That's very strange. Is this game popular in Italy? But yes, I bet you guys all know where Malta is. Yeah, Italians, you know where Malta is. That's where I'm from. Let's go. I wanted to do Italian. I also had to do another language, but it would have been confusing for me. It sucks that I didn't learn because I really wanted to. You see, when I was 11, I had the option to learn a language, and I was offered Italian, French, or German. And I refused to take Italian because I already knew it from TV. I was fluent in Italian 100%. So I was like, there's no point in me studying Italian because it feels like I'm gonna be cheating. So I took French, and I studied French for 8 years. That's not a joke. And I'm not even fluent in it. I can understand it and I can read it, but I'm not fluent. Ah, I love these. Oh, I love these. The minecart. I'm gonna have to stay quiet during the minecart explosions now. Whoa! Whoa! That was awesome! No! Oh! That was so close. I study Italian, French, and English. That's good. That's good. I'm fluent in English and I'm fluent in Italian, but French, I read it, I understand it, but to speak it, I'm not very confident. Let's try again. In fact, I'm surprised Sakura hasn't showed up in the stream, unless she's lurking. But sometimes, not sometimes, lately, whenever she sees me on stream, she goes, "Vloggy caro mio!" That's how she goes. She says it to me in Italian. Recently, I played Resident Evil 7 in Italian as well, because I wanted to. Because why not? Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not gonna switch these off, huh? As if. Yay, Kurt! Welcome! Alright, do I play HOTS? HOTS. Trying to understand what HOTS means. I don't think I do, because I would have recognized it. What's What's HOTS? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm sorry. It's not super hot, is it? No. I only study French. I kind of wanted to do art more than Italian, so I just done that. Okay, hug me. All right, hug you. Hold on. Oh, you guys. Oof, that was close. I love these lasers. Heroes of the Storm. Yeah, no, I've never played it. I've been watching a YouTuber lately play it, but no, it's not my thing really. I watch the YouTuber because he's cool, but no, it's not my thing. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna be quiet now. I'm gonna be very quiet because there's gonna be a lot of explosions and they would overpower my voice. So let's go. No! No, I'm gonna start over. Puoi parlare un po' di italiano nella live? The thing is this. Non voglio parlare italiano perché provo a... Hold on. Voglio che le stream è tutta in inglese nella chat. Sì? That's why. I want everything in English in chat so everybody understands. Così tutti capiscono che sta succedendo. So that's it. No more Italians. No more Italians. No more Italians. I'll be quiet. Yes, these guys have guns, Cascade. Yes. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay? You heard him laugh. He goes, hee hee hee. Do you like the lasers more than the greeters or not? I know how to you probably know that as well because you're very familiar with the game, Smaggin. So, there's a way I love to trick the greeters with the laser. I trigger them on one side with the laser, then I climb up, and they just keep running to the side. I like to do that. Okay, comunque sei brava in Italian. Thank you. Hold on. Oh no! No! Oh, okay. I thought they were gonna die. Alright, stay there. I thought they were gonna fall off. Okay, it's just this way then. Yes, exactly. No, but it's everywhere. It's è meglio per tutti. È meglio per tutti. Oh, I love doing this. Look. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I love how dark Abe is. He laughs. Hold on. It's a good thing I came over here. Not good. You learned English from video games. You see, I used to watch a lot of TV when I was a kid, and my mom always complained that I watched too much TV, and that's what I picked up. I picked up an entire language. I picked up Italian. Just from watching TV. Uh-oh. Okay, I didn't realize the guy was over there. I got carried away talking. Maybe one day, Vloggy, you could do an Italian stream. I did a similar one, Sam. I mean, a couple of weeks ago, I did our Resident Evil 7 in Italian. I did the whole... I mean, I didn't speak in Italian, but... too close. He's too close. I need to start running. Maybe I can possess him. No, there's a... I think I can actually. No, I can't possess him though. Oh, so close. That's not gonna work. Ah. Okay. Okay, let's have a sip. You're British. Okay, I thought you were American. Okay. British is cool as well. I like British. Oh, that was close. There's two of them? What? Two of them? Oh, come on. One of them isn't gonna leave. You know what? That's fine by me. Not enough. Not good enough. Is this the original? Yes, it is, Nick. Welcome, buddy. My whole family knows Italian except for me. Well, I mean, you learn it from Italian, from family as well. Alright, let's wait for him to leave. They're gonna shoot him. They're gonna shoot him. Just gonna wait for the alarm to... Alright, so...
Hi, hello, Bumblebee. Okay.
I hope he doesn't trigger the alarm. Alright, there we go. That is a trick.
Wait.
And now... Don't you dare shoot! Alright. This game, I don't know why it reminds me of Heart of Darkness. It reminds you of Heart of Darkness because Heart of Darkness also had pre-rendered backgrounds. When you walk, I used to call it the page. The screen changes, look. I used to think call it the page. It's like a page is changing, look. It's like a different... Heart of Darkness was exactly like that. And I'm not so sure one of them inspired the other. I don't know if this one inspired Heart of Darkness or Heart of Darkness. I don't know. One of them inspired the other. I'm not so sure which one is which, but yeah. Everyone thinks I'm American because apparently I even sound American because I don't have much of a British accent. Even me, sometimes they tell me, you sound kind of American, but I watch a lot of TV shows as well, so it gets picked up. I stopped watching shows now. I watch streams instead. I went back to sleep. That's good. I did it.
Oh, yeah. Bumblebee.
Oh, they triggered the alarm, you see?
Wait. Okay. Hi. Hello, Bumblebee. Okay. Oops. Wait.
Time for me to blast some more. Well, I need to leave now. It was nice coming here for sure. Thank you so much for hanging out, Cascade. Take care. There we go. Let's go get the others.
Oops. Oh, yeah. Bumblebee. Okay. Oops.
I used to love doing this, look. I used to love doing this, hold on. Like falling from a very high place. I'm sorry. That's a waste of time. And again, I still love falling. Okay, Sam, no problem. Thanks so much for hanging out. You have a good night. Buonanotte. I'm gonna stop here just in case. Oh man. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. How many did he kill? He killed 2. Ah, that's fine. I'm not gonna bother. Come on, just 1 then. 2 of them. 2 actually. That's fine. And Ireland is Irish and Scottish is Scottish. Of course. Let's get out of here. Tunnel 6. There's gonna be more minecart apparently, or whatever it's called. Minecar. Oh, careful now. Please don't wake up. No! No! He took off. Oh, come on. There's no way you're gonna make it to the other side. Hold on. I need to time this right. Oh, it's not gonna be easy. Raid, raid, raid! There we go. How are you, Angelo? Nice to see you, buddy. I think we're done here then. Oh, come on, get in there. Giggity. Let's go. Ah! That's not what I had in mind. You just started this yesterday. It is a great game, isn't it, Corbin? Welcome to the stream. It's a fantastic game. It's trial and error, most of it. No! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think this game came out in 1998, if I'm not mistaken. I think I can get rid of this guy. Oh, come on, really? Come on. There we go. 1. 2. Oh, there's another one! Ah! There we go. I love giggling after killing guys. Alright, so... Well, crazier. Who knows? I've done the mines now. I'm on to neck room. So you're editing one yourself? Yeah. Did you play New and Tasty? It's fantastic, isn't it? Hey, welcome back, Lord Death. Oh, we're gonna go up. And we fall. And we fall. I love doing that.
Oh yeah. You. Follow me. Oh yeah. You. Follow me. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. You. Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. You. Follow me.
Okay. Okay, yes, alright, so we saved 34. We killed 2 by mistake. Thank you so much, Angelo. Thank you. You know, when I was a kid, I used to draw Oddworld levels to try to see if I can make a few levels myself to make them harder. I used to draw. So knowing that now there are actually tools where you can edit the game, it's fantastic. It's kind of a childhood dream come true. I will look into it. I'm assuming it edits. I'm assuming it edits the PC version, doesn't it? Not so sure I'm going the right way though, huh? No, going the wrong way. I have to start from up. He didn't see me. Come on before he comes back. This is so much fun. Uh-oh. Oh no! He's coming! Oh! GG! I love the monsters and the characters in this game. Everything is so original. The Gluckins, the Sligs, the Modakins, Vikers. They're all so awesome. He can't see me, can he? Nope. V4, it's Oddworld, Abe's Exoddus. If you've never played this game, you're missing out in your life. You need to give this game a go. So good. The story is so original. Uh-oh. Hurry up, hurry up. Is he coming back? Ah, sucker! Sucker! You'll never get me, you will never get me! The place is gonna blow! Run! Run! Oh no! This game is funny and it's very dark. It's everything. This game is fantastic. So now he made it out of the factory. There's another secret here somewhere, but I really don't feel like doing it. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna. It is nightmarish, but it's also hilarious at the same time. It's cute at the same time. It's everything. But yeah, it's also dark. It's so good. It came out in 1998, if I'm not mistaken. It came out with Resident Evil 1 or 2. Not so sure now. No, Abe's Odyssey came out in 1997, 1998, Abe's Exoddus. And each time the game introduces new creatures. They have different mechanics, you have to deal with them. It's so cool. We're about to be introduced to the Fleeches very soon. This game got soul. Ah, I see what you did there, Lord. Oh, it was an Nintendo CD. You were Nintendo. Oh, that's why. You see, that's why then. You never heard of this game because you were a Nintendo 64 child. That is why before. Do you still have Do you have Resident Evil 2 to sell it to me? I'm still on the lookout for RE2 on Nintendo 64. It came out on Game Boy, but it sucked. On the Game Boy, it wasn't so good. Alright, so you see, we need to open this door over here. And in order to open this door, we need to light up those 4 torches. 2 on the left and 2 on the right. I'm gonna start with the ones on the right. I like reading these poems. There's like little poems. Sure, there's a lot. Okay, this is not really a poem, but there are poems here in the game. We see we lit a torch here already, so that's one. There's 2, but I'm not gonna read the poems. Not bothered. Have I played Clonoa Door to Phantom? Oh, I love Clonoa Lord Death, and I'm gonna be streaming it very soon. Yes, I played Clonoa Door to Phantom Hill. That is the first game on the PlayStation. These are 2 of the creatures, by the way, in the game. Scrabs and Paramites. They're so awesome. Awesome creatures. Anyway, yes, I played I have Clonoa on the PS1. And then I discovered, like recently, the past couple of years, I discovered that there was a remake for the same game on the Wii. And I actually bought it, and I'm gonna stream it. I'm gonna stream the one for the Wii, the remake. It looks so good. And I never played Clonoa 2 on the PS2. I still haven't played it, but I will stream it as well. Don't get crazy like me! Okay, I won't. See ya, Angelo. Take care, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out. Go this way. Vloggy, do you have plans to bring Haunting Ground? What's Haunting Ground? Somebody was streaming it recently. Was it Dan? I think Dan was... Is it Haunting Ground he was streaming? He was playing a game that looks kind of Outbreak in a way. I only played cute wonderful games like Mario 64, blech, Mario Party 1, 2, 3, blech, Mario Kart 64, blech. I'm kidding with the blech. I'm kidding. But my favorites are Pokemon Stadium 1 and 2. I never played a Kirby in my life. Shame on me. I actually have NES games and I never played it. I should play it one day. GoldenEye, everybody loves GoldenEye. Perfect Dark, Diddy Kong Racing. It's a hard game with a girl and a dog. Yes, I saw Dan. I don't know if Dan is still here, well, he was here earlier. I saw Dan playing it. I think last week he was playing it. It's really weird and creepy. I think I would love to give it a go, but assuming that the emulator runs it. Because sometimes the emulator refuses to work. There we go, we open the door, you see? I make a fart. Abe, say hello to V4. Abe, say hello to Emily. I will try Haunting Ground. I want to try Haunting Ground and Fatal Frame, I think. They don't want to talk. They're still drunk. want a drink as well, but you drank all of it. The vending machine is empty. So good. So it's gonna tell me, look, it's gonna tell me here, look. It says your Modakan friends are sick from brew. You must complete your quest from the Modakan spirit to heal them. Of the Modakan spirit. Return here after you've completed Mudanchi and Mudamo vaults. Yep. Yep. Let's go. I think I will enjoy Haunting Ground as well. Remember us, Abe! Abe, us restless Mudakan spirits yearn for freedom and peace from our bones. Your first quest will be complete. Then your spirits of your ancestors are released from bondage. Giggity. Then help you heal your friends. Okay. Okay. I want to try Fatal Frame as well because Ashley recommended it, I think. I think it was Ashley that recommended that to me. I want to play that. So many games, so little time. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this way. So we are about to be introduced to a new creature in this game, and they're called the Slurgs. Slurgs and Fleeches. The Slurgs are harmless, they just walk around, but if you trip on them, they scream, they squeal, they go ee! There they are, look at them. The black ones on the floor, you see them? They are harmless. You just need to make sure that you don't step on them, because if you step on them, they will go ee! They scream. And if they scream, they will cup those other creatures that are hanging. They're called Fleeches. They will eat you. They can't hurt me because they're over there. And it's gonna describe them here. Clone 2 was amazing, but very, very sad. Really? Wow. Interesting. A lot of melancholy sorrow. I can still remember the song Ruins Lost. Really? You should try it. It's a piece of art. That's what I heard, yeah. Felice. When Fleeches get too large, young Gluckins flush their pets into the sewers of Oddworld. Diet? You. Advice. Don't step on the Slurgs. They're a dead giveaway. Get it? Get it? Alright. Oops. That's not what I had in mind. Naughty Vloggy. Shh. Shh. Okay, I'm stepping on all of them, but for the time being I'm safe because those guys up there are locked, so we're good. Okay, I want to show you what happens if you wake those up and they attack you. I want to show you what happens. Look. They eat you and they burp. I just wanted to show that off. That's all. Alright, let's go. Oh, they can climb. I forgot. You slap. You see, there are spirits trapped in boxes with lock pads. That is interesting. Ghost traps are private property. Slapping traps by standing next to them and holding L2 and pressing X. It's funny. To release Modakan spirits and open tomb doors is strictly forbidden. Violators will be shot. I love these posters. I wish I could get these posters printed. They're so good. And the spirits will open the door for you, look. Bells plus bell song. Yeah, exactly. More or less. But I prefer these than the bells. I prefer these than the bells. make sure that I don't step on these guys because. Careful, buddy. I prefer slapping the locks. Oh! 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 His ouch gets more high pitched. That means you're getting closer to dying. Oh, there we go. Already messed that up. Alright, whew. Alright, now the thing is this. For every lockdown lock, I will wake one of them up. Oh no! Whew. Cave Story is another great game, sometimes challenging and characters with good personality. The first time I hadn't saved Curly Bit. Interesting. So many games, so little time! I'm gonna do these first. Because the lever wakes them up. Look. Whew. Now, which way? I forgot which way. Is it this way? Oh, this is gonna be the invisible ones, yes? I'm gonna be invisible very soon. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And they can't see me now. They go crazy because they can't see me. I'm gonna wait here till it runs out. Then I get a new spirit ring. There we go. You can't see me. Yeah, I'd rather be a gamer than going out with friends. So I understand, Lord. I understand. Sometimes friends have to drag me out to go out drinking and stuff. I'd rather stay at home playing video games and streaming. Maybe it's not ideal, maybe it's sad to admit that, but oh man, whatever makes me happy, right? And drinking wise, exactly, I can have a drink here. I don't need to go out and meet people. Why do I have to meet people? What? I know, right? I'm gonna have a drink now. This sip is for you, Juan. I'm having Prosecco tonight. Okay, this one's locked. Oh, we're about to go to... I think this one is easy. Let's see. Whoops. I have a feeling this one's easy. Regardless if it's easy or not, I'm gonna do it. Oh, Sleek Barracks. Oh, I love the Sleek Barracks. I think this area is the toughest in the whole game. Oh man, I love it. I'm gonna do this. I love the slick barracks. Ah, I'm gonna do this. I don't care. Spumante or tranquillo? I don't even know. Hold on. What does it say? It's Italian for sure. Vino frizzante. It doesn't say. It just says denominazione di origine controllata. I don't know. Vino frizzante. Il prosecco. Doesn't really say. Prodotto di Italia, but it doesn't say. It doesn't say. Hey, Midna, welcome back! You're not mad at me, are you? I thought you were mad at me. No! I can slap him. Oh, yeah, I can slap him. I forgot that I can slap him, yeah. I used to enjoy slapping the Glockens. No, that's it. No problem. No problem. No problem. We got this. We got this. There's a trick in this level. You don't have to run jump while the portal. The sligs won't wake up. No, I'm just sticking. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. Yeah. I hope you feel better soon, Ned. Now. Oh! He stayed on the floor. Did you see that he played dead? Double KO. That is epic. Ah, oh, dang it. No, I'm gonna make a run for it, I think. Double KO. That is awesome. Oops. My bad. I just realized that the game looks better on stream than on my TV. The image is very stretched. Oh, come on, Ken! How many points did I gather? I'm curious now. Pantalones. I should have done pantalones, but it's long, so pants. I only have 26 pants points. Oh man, what am I doing? I'm confused because I've been streaming for 1 hour 38, so I should have gotten more pants points. I don't care. Should have gotten more than that. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I don't care how long it takes. Oh, that's right. That's right. Hold on. Cheer gave me his pants points, so I'm off. Oh, come on. It's horrible. I don't know how many points to award for every... Oh, man. I don't know what to do. You know what? Can I restart the path? Why do those things quack? Because they're creatures. They make sounds like... Oh, he did it! Can't believe I did it. What the heck? He didn't go back down. He just crouched. Ah, you got a shiny scrab. Did you catch it? It's rare. A shiny scrab. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Because of OCD, I save multiple times. Oh, he does it. Oh man. Greeters now, of course. And there's an angry... No, I thought it's not an angry. Alright, hold on. How do I do this? How do I do this? Wow. It's one of the harder ones, huh? Wow. Oh, I have to. Oh, I have to crouch. I can't jump. One down. I'm doing it.
Hi. Sorry. Okay. Hi. Sorry.
No!
No.
No! Come on, I'm close. Come on, I'm doing this. Come on, Corbin. Come on, I'm doing this.
Hi. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Sorry.
I have an idea. I have an idea. This is the trick I told you about. Look, with the greeters. This is the thing I do. Look. Hold on. Come on. Do you see? That's it. That's it. Oh! Oh, he's still gonna go that way. Oh, hold on. I need to switch on the bomb then. Okay. I need to turn on the bomb. Okay, okay, okay. Here it comes. Here it comes. 1, 2. Ha
Hi. You will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
I'm doing it. All this for 2 Mudakins. Just 2.
Hi. You will follow me. No. Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
There we go. I love the slick barracks. I think it's the hardest thing of the game. I think it's the hardest part, the slick barracks. Alright, so what do I do? I just go through here, yes. Alright, let's go. Cutscene. Okay. Hold on. Making some more wine. I think it's gonna be the last glass of the evening though. I have to be up at 5 in the morning tomorrow. No! Alright, let's go. I love the music. The music is fantastic. I think they're gonna tell me about the scraps. No, about the... Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the scrab. Yeah, they're great. They're fantastic. Alright, so, where's the scrab? There he is. And the fleeches are terrified of scrabs. So I can use that to my advantage. I used to love doing that, pretending to be a scrab. But you can't destroy these guys, huh? Shiny scrab. So where do I go from here? Up? No. Green and blue. Shiny, shiny. Here they come. I can outrun them easily, but they're deadly, huh? Alright, invisibility. Oh, they're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. Let's watch them fight. That is epic. I think I wasted a lot of time though. My visibility is about to run out. Back from the shower, Julian. Now you are squeaky clean. You're squeaky clean. Did you wash every hole and every inch of the body? Oh, I would love a poster like this one in my room. Don't feed the fleechers. Don't feed the fleeches. Violators will be eaten. It's so awesome. Oh man, I love these posters. I should Google these, see if I can get those printed actually. It's so good. Are you ready? Ready to jump and run? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, that's not good. Oh man! Double threat. Alright, never mind. I have another idea. I always like the hard way around though, huh? No, 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 no! God dang it. I want to try something. No, it's not gonna make it, not gonna make it. No, 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 no. This is not how it's done. I need an invisibility ring or something. There we go. No, 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 no! He could have gone up the other way, huh, and attacked me. Mwahaha. Maybe in Soulstorm we can use fleeches too. That'd be really cool. Yeah, yeah. That's true. I enjoyed the fact that we could possess Gluckins in this game as well, huh? It's really good. Actually, no, what? No, he took off. Come back, Scrab. This way. Oh! Oh! No! I deserve that. Caro mio! There she is, Sakura! I was talking about you! I think I have to do this again. God dang it. How are you, Sakura? No, no, not this again! There we go. You what? I'ma beat you, Oddworld. What? What you talking about, Willis? I'm gonna crush you. They ate him. Uh-oh. That's not good. I think I got this though. They're gonna come get me now, huh? No, we're good. How are you so far? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm gonna be streaming for another hour, I think, and then... I'm gonna go sleep because I have to be up at 5 in the morning tomorrow. How do I do this? I'm gonna run for it. This way! No! Oh! Come get me! Ah! No! But I locked him inside at least. Sucker! So one has been done. Uh-oh. Come here. I need to find a way to lock him away, huh? No! No! He's gonna go get me! He's gonna go get me! He's gonna attack me. He's gonna go for me. Oh man. That's not good. Ah! I knew it! I knew it! Have you played Manchester Odyssey? I started both of them. I actually have them. But I never finished either of them, and I'm very sorry. I'm gonna stream it one day. I plan on doing all of the Oddworld games. There we go. Yes, let's co-op sometime soon, because we need True though. We need True, and my life is about to change very soon. My sleep schedule, my job, everything. So I don't know how it's gonna be like, and I have another month to go with my old life for the time being. So we must seize the moment before stuff changes. He took off. Come down. Come down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come down. Alright. He won't calm down, eh? There's no way he's not coming down. Wow. Oh well. I'll speak to True. Maybe we can do something this week. I won. Haha! Ah! There we go. Done. Sakura, do exclamation mark pants. 12 pants points. I'm gonna try this one as well. We do this one as well for the Oddworld fans that are watching right now. For you guys. Let's do this. Oh! What? Oh, come on. Come on. Pants points basically is just like reward. No, there are no levels. Yeah, there's like rewards for watching. It's like a point system for people watching the stream. Oh, come on, really? Pants heist. You got more 66 more pants points. Let me check them out myself now again. Pants. But there are no levels for now. Oh, come on! He didn't jump off now. It's not my fault. I pressed it. You see, Lord has been here for a while. Now he gathered 34 pants points. Haha! Sucker! 15 pants points. Alright, this is not gonna be easy. Oh, I remember this. Oh man. They're coming. How do I do this? I forgot. I forgot how this one's done.
Oh yeah. You will follow me. Okay. Oh yeah. You will follow me. Okay. Wait.
No. Restart the path. But this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Oh no! Okay, that's fine. Alright. TYT Sakura. Alright, so I know what I need to do. I need to be fast. As fast as possible. Here we go. Come on!
Follow me. Okay.
Oh! You know what? The flea just couldn't eat you. That was a wall, and then I don't know. Get your pants. That's a good one. There's gonna be get your pants in this game. I forgot.
Follow you. You follow me. Okay. Follow you. You follow me. Okay.
Confusing the controls now. How do I do this? I forgot how this is done. I forgot how this one's done. Oh, I'm so curious. I need to do this. I got so close. I got so close! Maybe I don't need to get these guys for now. Just leave them there. They're eating them, aren't they? Are they eating them?
Follow you. Follow me.
Aw. Hey, Saranya! Welcome! Nice to see you!
Follow
Today I'm playing a classic. They're eating them, aren't they? Yeah, they are. That's fine. Eat me as well. I love that they burp. That's fine. That's fine. I'm getting used to this. Here's what we're gonna do.
Follow you. You follow me. Okay.
We save some time like that.
Follow you. You follow me. Okay.
No! No! That's a waste of time. I cannot have them fight. And there's no time for me to apologize. Alright, let's try again.
Follow you. You follow me. Okay. Follow you. You follow me. Okay. Wait.
We did it! We did it! Like a boss! I'm so good. Come get it, suckers. I did it! In your faces! I did it. Alright, here it comes. You see, to open this door, I need to switch on, light on, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lights. Luca Bayer, hello! Nice to see you! How have you been, buddy? Another fellow Malteser. Yeah, you haven't been. Yay! Luke subscribed! Thank you so much, Luke. You haven't been here for a while, it's true. I don't like to point it out though. Whenever someone I haven't seen in a while shows up in stream, I don't like to be like, oh, long time no see, how have you been? You know, because, I mean, I don't like to point that out, because maybe he doesn't feel comfortable, you know, being acknowledged that he hasn't been here for a while. I don't want to make him feel uncomfortable. That's my thing. That is my thing. My quirk. I know that there's another secret here, but I just had a hard time dealing with... Hold on, hold on. Up, up, up. You will never catch me! I think they will catch me. There's another one. Yes, yes, I know the secret, but I just had a hard time dealing with one. I don't feel like doing another one. Hey! Cool Pro! Welcome! We're getting the awesome people here. Some awesome people. Ah! I think we're done. Need to make a run for it. There we go. And I'm good. I'm a pro. Did I get the Nintendo Switch? No. No. So far... so far, I don't know. I don't feel like buying the console just for one game so far. We'll see. We'll see. I think when Pokemon comes out, I think it will be the console seller for me. I think. Alright, so we did one. Let's do the other. Oddworld Apex is such an awesome game. I agree. I agree. Okay. Alright, I have an idea. I'm pumped for Soulstorm as well, but I'm a bit down as well because Soulstorm is not coming out this year. Come get me. They're gonna freak out when they fall here. Uh-oh! Philly! We're done. Philly, how are you, Philly? My chili stream, I think I will do it tomorrow. Because I promised I would do a chili stream if I had 1,500 subscribers, and I did. So, it's gonna be tomorrow, I think. I cannot promise because I need to find time to buy the chilies. If I don't have the time to buy the chilies, I cannot do it. Because I'm working tomorrow. We'll see. I'm hoping to do it tomorrow. It'll be fun. Yes, it was originally come out this year. That's why I'm bummed out, because it was supposed to come out this year, but they're falling behind. They're a small team, and I understand. It's better that they take their time and polish a game rather than releasing it on time and it won't be finished, you know? So, yeah. No! No! Wow. How am I gonna do this? Uh-oh. You know, they have scrap cakes, scrap paramite pies, heirloom chumps, and they have fleech flakes and cereal for cereal and slurred shakes. That's awesome. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Whew, that was close. Please don't waste more of my time, game! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. We did it. Ah, yeah, I'd rather them delaying the game than making it best. Exactly. Exactly. One likes cereal. You like cereal? You like cereal? I like cereal. I like turtles. I like toast. I'm getting hungry. It's too late to get hungry now. That's it. The kitchen's closed. What if... Oh! Oh, come on, game! Come on, game! You're not supposed to do that to me. Haha. They're gonna fight. When they fight, when they be busy. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, man! Yes, yes, yes. But come on, this was a 1998 game, and it was quite polished, considering... You see, back in the day, when they released games on CDs, alright, the PlayStation had no way to update a game, so it had to be the final product when it was shipped. There was no way to fix it. Oh, come on, game. You see, so they couldn't fix a game. It had to be perfect, you know, when they ship it. There was no way. Nowadays, game developers have it easy because they can release a crappy product and then they can fix whatever's wrong with the game with the updates, you know? So considering this game is playable, you know, it's not like there's problems with it or anything. So, what do we do now? Come on, come on. You guys meet, okay? They're gonna meet. They're gonna fight, they're gonna fight. And I will take the opportunity to... Uh-oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Woo-hoo! Okay, good. Do I go for it? I'm gonna go for it. Ah! Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, okay. Hey, meat, sir. What's up to Red Raid? This has to be feisty. Oh my goodness. Welcome, Raiders. This has to be feisty, I think. Oh man, I remember there was this one time we did that to Barry. We did a raid and everybody was like, sub to Barry raid. Hello, Meat Sir. Hello, Feisty. Hello, Annie. Hello again, Red. Nope, me again. Oh, it's you again. Yeah, it's you again, Red. Okay. Oh, man. I'm gonna get you for that one. I'm gonna get you for that one. Come get me, Scrab. Come get me, sucker. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, come on. Oh, my goodness. I understand it was a 1998 game. That's why most old games aren't as crappy in terms of quality compared to the new games. Exactly. No amount of patches. Exactly. 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 That's what I mean. Uh-oh. I did the boo-boo. Oh, okay, come on. This is not good. This is not good. I have to figure this out. Vloggy, I'm ashamed. My raids are stronger than this. Feisty. Because I spoke too soon, you see. All I saw was Meat Sir. All I saw was like Meat Sir and then Feisty. You know, I'm like, it has to be Red. It has to be. You know, I thought it was gonna continue with more people. You know, I just saw the first Vloggy. Your Vulpix evolved. No, my Vulpix didn't evolve. Yours evolved. It's yours, not mine. I saw the first donation and I assumed it was yours. Come on, come on, come on! I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Oh! I'm not gonna do this, man. This is not good. Now I'm on the other side. Go away, Scrab. Go away, Scrab. You're not welcome here. Come on, Scrab. Go. There we go. Come on, go, 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 go. Okay, we did it. Hey, Mac Knight! Welcome, Mac Knight! How are you, buddy? Run, 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 run! Man, this really stressed me out, huh, this part? We're done. We're done. Ah, man. My heart is pounding. There's more. We're not done yet. This area's okay. Nothing. It's not too hard. It's hard, but not too hard. Lots of trial and error. Very puzzly. Oh. I love side scrollers. It kind of reminds me of Limbo. You remember Limbo? All right. This way? Not this way? Okay. This is not good. The moment I slap the lock, it's gonna unlock. This is not good. Is there a way to stream Sun and Moon without a special DS? I don't know. I think Feisty has a way of doing that. Okay, wrong technique, no problem. Ah! All right. When the Sun and Moon demo came out, I didn't have my my 2DS with a capture card yet. So what I did is I positioned the camera in front of. Oh, wrong. I positioned the camera in front of my 3DS and I recorded the screen from my phone. Actually, it wasn't even a camera. My phone. I positioned my phone in front of my 3DS and it was a very satisfying stream. I called it the potato stream, but but it was good. Oh, come on, game, come on! So close. Ah! No! I got this for sure. I got this! Uh-oh. Because the thing is, he has to stop exactly in front of the well to jump in. It's not easy. If I press up while I'm not exactly in front of the well, I'm busted. But I'm not gonna go in the well now. I'm gonna do this. And this. And this. Alright. Now this. Haha! Sucker! Oh, come on, game! Come on! There we go. He didn't do it again. You see, I'm trying to stop in front of it, but he doesn't. He just slides. It's one of the most brutal. I agree. I agree, Cool Pro. Yeah. But it's fun. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. What the? I forgot that the door was on the other side. On the background, not the foreground. Oh man. I have to do this again. Stop it, Paolo. Paolo? Stop going offline and online. Oh man. I think the second game improved on the mechanics a lot. Even the fact that you can possess these guys. Oh, come on! How am I gonna do this? I tried 2 times. One in front of that well and one in front of this one. No, it didn't work. You have to stop exactly in front of it to press up. Come on! I'm getting angry! Yeah, not being able to quick save in the first game was terrible, huh? Oh, come on, game! Now I'm trapped, huh? I'm not, actually. Okay, we're good. Actually, I am. Oh, come on. What the heck, game? Take me back! Take me back! There we go. Oh my goodness. We did it. There's an Italian ape version. I didn't know that. I would look it up. And then again, speak only to one Modakin. Exactly. Alright, so, which way? No, I need the invisibility for sure. Oh, there's another secret here. Wanna go for it? We do it. We do it for you guys. For the Oddworld fans. Let's do this. Oh man, that's fantastic. Okay, yes, the moment I run over, they're gonna start unlocking the doors. Okay. No, I failed this one. That's fine. I'll die. I'll just die. No problem. No problem. I can do this. Yeah, I want to try the PC edition. I want to try editing it. Let's go. 1, 2. Ah, crap. No, he's gonna eat the others! You son of a biscuit! No, 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 eat me! The burp is fantastic. It's okay, we got this. Before save, then push the last right in front. Hang on, before say them to the last right, fart in front of. Okay, yeah, so they can actually go. Listen to his voice. All right, so let's try this. Ah, nice. Again. That's fine. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. No problem. I know what needs to be done. I just need to do it on time, and my controls need to be exactly precise. That's 1. And that's 2. Done. That's it.
Okay.
Betta's going to bed. Get some rest, my friend. You need to get some rest because you're not well. Thank you so much for hanging out, though. I look forward to see you next time. Hopefully, a Pokemon stream. Hopefully. Take care, Med, now. Get some rest. Oh, this. 1, 2. Oh, come on, game, seriously? Oh, this was stupid! Stupid! I need to check it on YouTube. I cannot really do it without knowing exactly what it's... You see what's going on here. They're gonna get up. Whew. Yeah, I'll check it on YouTube. This looks fun. No, 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 no. Huh. Aha. Alright, let's go. I love doing that. Yes, yes, it's true, Cool Pro. Yeah, it is a fact. Oh, I remember this. Not a lot, but I remember it. Yes, I know what to do. I love the sound they make when they back off because of the... Hey Vladimir, welcome! Peace to you too, my friend. Alright, let's do this. And they're gone. Now, what do I do? Oh, I need to go to the other side, on the background. The longest crab secret area that I hated. There's a secret area here as well. I didn't realize. Is there? Oh man, no, I cannot do it. I see. This is not easy. This is not good. Alright, this is annoying. Lord is right. In you go. Alright. Now I go open the other one again. That's alright, Megan. Shred. Alright, so lock him back here. It is annoying, this part. Lots of back and forth. Is this the old school or regular modern? No, no, no. It's true, because these days you can't really tell from an actual old school game and an indie game, because they're purposely making them look like this these days. But no, it is an actual old school. This is 1998. It's Oddworld. hold on. I'm trying to think what to do next. It's Oddworld Abe's Exoddus. Alright, this way. Opening here. We're about to go into the nests of the scrabs. They're fantastic. You're joking. Okay, no, but you are very right. You know, you're very right. These days, you can't really tell if a game is actual old school or it's just indie because you know they're purposely. So you are right. It may have been a joke, but you are right, my friend. 4 locks. This one has 4 locks. So 1. No, 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 no! Oh, come on, come on! Ah, Vladimir. Come on, this was very cheap. The way I died here was very cheap. I just couldn't land in the right spot to do the... You see, like this. Let's practice running and straight to the well. Let's practice that. You see, I cannot do it. It's so hard. You have to think ahead. You have to press it ahead of time. Now. It's amazing how ahead of time I need to. So, block number 2. Block number 3. Uh-oh. Always wondered, like, the spirits, alright, help you out. You're releasing spirits, and they unlock the door for you. But why do they have to also unlock the door, the barrier between me and the scrap? Why do they do that? Are you trying to help or hurt? I think we're done. I think it's the scrap nests, yes? Yep, all done. Scrap nests next. Here we go. When I was a kid, I used to call this the run, because you have to run. And you have to memorize what's next, unless you're very fast at reacting. I used to call it the run. Let's go. Ah, the music is so awesome. Probably they're the spirits of the killed Modakans by the Gluckans, maybe. Alright, so through here. Let's start running! Ah, okay. Okay. This is Abe is running in the background right now to give you an idea what the level is supposed to look like. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this and run. Oh, come on! I did press X! Come on! Stupid. Oh, man. I don't remember. Really? Whew. We did it. Alright, gives me a preview of what's to come next. Quick save. And run! Ha! Uh-oh. I freaking love slugs. The way they look, the design is fantastic, the creatures. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Come on. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Come on! No, 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 what you doing? Oh, come on! That is cheap. That is cheap. I forgot about that. I thought I was gonna stay there, sleeping. Alright, let's go. You know... Oh, you know what... You know the best part is when you shoot the slugs? You cannot just keep spamming the shoot. Because he takes a step back with recoil. And if he takes a step back, he might shoot you by mistake. So you need to be careful as well with that. It's so genius. Maybe no. We are past diplomacy, Vladimir. We are past diplomacy. Run, 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 run before he wakes up. Okay, good. Oh, I need to be fast. Gotta go fast. Whew. It's genius, yet also... Alright, we're done. We're gonna rescue a few Mudokons here. We're good. Okay, I rescued 41 with 2 casualties. That is good. They don't need my money, Vladimir. They make a lot of money.
Follow me.
Okay.
46. Let's go. How am I doing with pants? $28 pants points. Alright, so. Here. This is where I go. New creatures. There they are. Now these creatures, I love these creatures. These creatures are different. These creatures won't attack you. Look. Just do not corner them. Do not get them cornered because they get angry. You do not corner them. I love the mechanic, it's fantastic. But, one can be fun, two, you better run. I like that. When it's two of them, they're very powerful. It's like ladies. When they're grouped together, you can't stand a chance. Chantopus has a paramite. Okay, I like this. These creatures are more social. Anyway. This is for you, Vladimir. There's actually communication. You can actually speak to the others. Look, she follows me around. Okay. Lord Death has more points than I do already. Did the main character do it? Yes. You control the enemies, Vladimir. You control the enemies. Now I'm playing as the Paramite while he's meditating. I want to check what's down here real quick. Oh, it died. I find it to be an amazing concept that you can actually control the enemies. Ah! See, there's more than one now. They're going to attack me. Okay, Lord Death, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Thank you so much. You get some rest. I'm only gonna be here for another 10 minutes. And then I'll get some rest too. Have to be up early tomorrow. I got no choice. Have a good night. Oh, I can tell him to attack. No. Oh, they're getting away. And they're gone. Oh, it's about the meat, isn't it? No, just gonna describe the paramites. Nice. Oh, I love this. Run! And more doors. Hold on a sec. Okay. Six doors to secret areas. That's good to know. I might visit one of them. No, 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 no! Don't you dare! And they're gone. You seem like you've memorized this game, Smagan. That's nice. I need to run and jump here. Oops! Oops. I don't think I can jump to the other side though. I'm gonna try. Oops. Nope. He didn't stop on time. Or he or it or she, I don't know. I don't know the sexes of these paramites. I'm gonna have to. Oops. No, I am gonna need the paramite's help. Yeah. I'm ruined. I have to start this again. Yeah. Because I need the paramite's assistance. All right. There we go. Number 2. Number 3. Let's do one last door. One last door and I end this tree. And if there's a secret, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Ah, they ate him. It's fine. Oh man. That's okay. There we go. And you stay here. Hey, Glennie! Welcome! She's gonna stalk me around. Hey, thank you for the sub, Pietro. And we're done. Okay, I lied. I said it was gonna be the last door. I'm gonna do one more. This game is so addictive. I'm gonna do another one. Let's do another one. One more. Final door. And if there's a secret, I'm gonna do it. Oh, there is a secret. I saw it. Here we go. They're freaking out because they can't see me. You know what? Let's get him. Ah, they ate it. They ate it. Alright, so. Is it here? No, it's not here. A super door choice. Yeah. Is there two secrets in this? Oh, wow. There's a secret here somewhere. I don't see it, though. Has to be a secret here somewhere. There it is. There's only one secret though, yeah? Even though there's two sets of bottles, it's just one, yeah? I hope so. Oh, this is not good. I have to do the invisible. Is it a tough one? Is it a tough one? Oh, leeches. Oh, angry one. What's going on? Alright, so I know how to make him stop. I know how to make that guy stop turning. He's angry. All I have to do is keep talking to him. Whoa! What the heck just happened? Alright, what? Hey Julian. What? What just happened? I need to hurry, I think, hey? Oh, okay. Now I get it. Okay. Alright, I have an idea. I have to keep highing him. No. Okay. I may have to start this over. Oh, okay. That's good to know. Hold on, I got this. Ah, okay, that's fine. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's okay. We got this. Ah, I didn't do it! That's okay. I just need the correct timing. Just the right timing. Hey, Liz Adams, welcome! Nice to see you. You caught me at the end of my stream, huh? I'm gonna do this and go to sleep. Come on, we got this. Yeah, oh, come on! Ah, so close! So close! That's alright, that's okay. I'm gonna do this door, this final door. There we go. Booyah! I'm so good. Okay. That was close.
Sorry.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay.
Follow me.
Why is he not following me? What am I gonna do? Oh, I can fart. There we go.
Follow you.
You.
Follow me.
Okay.
There we go, we did it. So that's done. We're gonna finish the rest here now. Oh, no need to go here. We continue this puzzle now. Will they jump me? Nice. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, I'm gonna have to call it. Oh, I don't want to stop playing. I'm enjoying myself, but I have to. It's 12:30 a.m. here, and I already have less than 5 hours of sleep. So I have to call it. I'm gonna save. Save. Oh, I have Klonoa saves here as well. Look at my Resident Evil saves. Extreme battle. How cool. Hunk. Alright, so I'm gonna overwrite this, I guess. Whatever, we can call it. Ah! Oh, it's not that. It's just, okay, done. Yeah, I was really enjoying playing, and I really want to keep playing, but, oh man, I have to be up early tomorrow. Because of work. You know how it is. You know how it is. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. For those of you that just joined, or maybe I missed it, I started the pants system. I started the pants system on my chat, so whenever you do exclamation mark pants, you can see how many pants you've collected. Alright, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys, and I look forward to see you guys next time. Ciao!